Alright guys, we're on our way to just up the mountain. Have about Nairo's bike night. It should be a good time. A real good time. There's over 30 bikes here. It's probably like 30, I think there's like 33 to 35 bikes. That's including a couple more that have come. And it's a beautiful night for our guys. Very beautiful time. What's going on? You alright? What happened, man? What happened? Oh, far out. This happened to me the other day. Lost his gear shifter. That's what I love about the motorbike community, guys. We all just stick together. It's great. Damn.
Dude, if I had known I had a Honda fucking gear lever in my thing, your foot would have been... We had a world of two and we had a lot of things, we ain't got shit right now. What are you going to do, Flip? Yeah, hold on. What? What are you going to do? I'm getting pretty hard. Fucking your caddy! Fucking your caddy! What are you doing? Do you have a piece that connects to the linkage? You have dinner at fucking...
Hey, young man.
Good, yourself?
Yeah, not bad.
Well, that was a great night, right, guys? Cheers, man, I'm going home. To the pub.
Yeah, might as well, eh? Stop it. Call the night, it's got a beer.
I'll try to the park. I can probably get it in second and make it up the mountain.
You want to go to my house? I live just down the road.
Now, Sammy, I've got a fuckload of cable ties, but I don't know if that'll be enough for you. I mean, with enough cable ties, anything's possible. I think this is telling you to trust the grob. Fucking snap here.
That's on the worst happens on these rides. Always happens, guys.
Maybe you should go the old evil from evil shit, you know, fucking... Hey, why don't you reach down there and pull it? Yeah, there you go. Just reach down. Grab it. Hang on. Cable tie the shifter to his boot. And then he just moves it back and forth. Yeah, work. Just don't put your foot down if you stop.
Everyone's an engineer.
Oh, it's scary. We got to play with it.
Well, everyone's chuffed off. But Ashley's Jimmy rigging a gear shifter.
Trying to.
Backyard mechanics at its finest.
Dude, you only just got to get through somewhere. That's all I'm at.
That's right.
I got me freaking side by side out of the bush after I smashed it into a tree. 30 k's from the trailer. I smashed the ball joints out. Okay, this is only even like fifth thing that's broken. There you go, that's a road joint.
Subscribe to this guy, guys. Big dude, tiny bike. Good stuff.
I need to start making vlogs again.
Yeah, you do.
When I move out, I'll make fun of that moving out.
Yeah, man, for sure. Pack all your gear on your bike.
That could work. That's pretty good. What do you reckon? Something like that? You fold that to that?
Oh, yeah?
Ghetto, but
Gee.
this is going to be interesting.
Far out.
Oh, yeah, it might even be reverse shifting, but we won't worry about it. GP shit.
Yeah, man, race bike.
Enough cable ties, son?
I'll do a montage of this. Just sit on it for a sec. How's that for you, because I might have to, however I do it, might really be semi-permanent for what I'm doing. Needs to go down more then. Or do you want it reverse shift? Reverse shift though, I probably can't make it as strong. Because if I've got it this way around, I can tie it back against itself. Yeah, that'll do. Yeah. Can you get your boot under it there though if I hold that there? Yep. Sweet.
Nice.
Alright. Should be going in no time, Sammy.
That's how you Jimmy Rigger.
Just get on there, man.
Shifter.
Check and see how she is. Obviously be gentle.
Moment of truth, guys.
Ah, it should be right.
Ooh. Oh, far out.
You fucking kicked them.
Kicked them off. Right, now we're taping it up and zip tying, and hopefully it doesn't fall apart this time. Hopefully.
Me up the mountain.
Do you want to risk it?
Yeah, fuck it. What's life without risk?
You don't want to lose that on one of those twisties, and then you go stop there, and that's sketchy, man.
You made it too good.
Here's the final product. Let's hope it stays.
Starter up, clutch in. Are we in neutral, aren't we? Oh no.
Sounds alright.
If you're gentle, that's actually pretty resilient. If you only just touch it, it should be right.
Stable. That's awesome, man. Well done. Alright, well that was interesting. Ash got Sam's shifter fixed with he reversed it. Put some duct tape and some zip ties on it. And now it's all good. Thanks.
It's time to break the cycle. Walk through those doors. 12 steps to a shade.